How to contact Booking.com support. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to contact Booking.com support. So here's the thing. What you need is just open the Booking.com app onto your device. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet. And to begin with, what you have to do is, if you want to contact support, you just want to go to my account at the bottom right corner of the screen, right? There you could find a lot of information. All you need is scroll down and you will be able to find help and support. So basically, you just want to go ahead and look for these help and support section. So here I cannot find one, but so if you cannot find it in the app section, or you also have these comment icon at the top right, you could tap that out and you could just tap onto the question mark icon. This is basically where you will be taken, and here you can just go ahead and look for any of these options accordingly, and that is how you're supposed to contact Booking.com support. And for some reason, if you're having difficulty with this procedure, there's much more easier way. All you need is open any browser that you have on your device, and at the search bar you just want to type in Booking.com support. Once you do this, you will be able to find the contact us link as well as customer service. You would just tap the link and follow the on-screen prompt, and that's how you're supposed to contact Booking.com support. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.